To our school's division superintendent, Dr. Marilyn S. Andales, District 1 Public School Division Supervisor, Mr. Renato L. Pakibot, Kindergarten Education Program Supervisor, Mrs. Emilda G. Naveo, our school principal, Mr. Leonardo E. Mar, teachers, parents, guardians, and to my beloved fellow completers, good afternoon. I am Zuri Yusak Danyo from Kindergarten Head Start. I am really happy that we are moving from kindergarten today. Thank you, teachers, for helping us learn and grow every day. Thank you, friends, for playing and sharing with me. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for bringing me to school and supporting me. I love you so much. Thank you, school helpers, for keeping our school clean and safe. Thank you, Batan Elementary School, for giving us a safe place to learn and have fun. Thank you, everyone, for being kind to make me smile. Again, thank you, everyone, and congratulations.